Okay, so right here is where I like my pepper sauce.
Okay.
Right?
A little bit of chunky happening.
Yes.
Not too smooth.
How is smelling?
Smelling so good. Foodie fam, it's about to get hot in this kitchen as we learn the how-tos of a mango pepper sauce. So let's get blending. So mango pepper sauce.
Yes.
No plain old pepper sauce. A pepper sauce with flavor.
Yes. Important. A little hot, but plenty flavor.
Flavor.
That's the way I like pepper sauce.
I was about to say, I think that is the best part of a pepper sauce. It shouldn't just be burning down your tongue. It has to have a little taste, you know?
Yes.
Well, take my tuna, friend.
So we're doing a little something special with the mango today. So for this, I'm using full to kind of half-ripe mangoes.
Okay.
Right, so you get a little tart, a little sweet. You have our famous Scotch bonnet,
Of
a
course.
little garlic, pimento, and
Right.
I'm using pimento because that is a flavoring pepper.
Okay.
Right, so remember we stick into flavors.
Flavor.
Right, I have a little knob of ginger,
Somewhere in here.
Shadon Beni,
Right.
some carrots, and some celery and salt.
Okay, so we start with the star, the mango.
Yes.
We have tule mango. I see you have a knife here. This is to peel the mango.
Yes, but I feel like you don't want to peel, so you will blend instead.
I'll come over here. I'll come over here. You could feel free.
Yes, so I will peel this last one up.
Right.
So I'm using 2 mangoes
Okay.
today. And then you just pull the stems off of the hot pepper. Be very careful. Don't touch anything on the inside.
So I just pull in the whole stem out.
Yes, and drop it
Drop.
in the blender.
Drop in the stem in the blender.
The pepper.
Okay. I was like, this stem? No problem. That I can help you with.
Right.
The stem not coming out from. You don't worry. You mind your business over there. I'll light up with my peppers.
Very well. So, you notice there's a different color on this mango. This is the
Right.
full one. This is the half-ripe one.
Okay.
All right.
The thing green. the mango green on it. The mango green. So we're not
Full.
using ripe
Full.
mangoes at all. No?
We say full. No,
Okay.
no ripe mangoes.
Okay. And is there any specific reason that you like to do mango pepper sauce? Do you do any other flavors?
Whatever is in season.
Okay.
So I could do a little pomsite, a little pomerac, you know.
Interesting, guys. Have you done any fruit-infused pepper sauces? And if so, tell us what flavors, what fruits you're picking and using, aside from mango, because we're doing that one here.
Right. So this is a super simple to get to. It could be the last thing you make for the line. Sometimes, you know, somebody invited you to something and you say,
Yeah.
oh gosh, I had nothing to carry.
Carry some pepper sauce.
Carry some pepper sauce.
Well, while you're cutting, is there anything else I can add? I could
Right,
throw all
so
these guys in.
Not all the salt, but
Okay.
everything else. Everything else.
No problem. Adding all your pimento and your ginger and your garlic and your flavorings. Your Shadon Beni. And I'll stop and wait for you on the salt. I'll stop and wait for you on the salt, my
You
friend.
could put 2 scoops of the salt to start.
Keeping?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Right. And then you put some mango in there.
Some or all.
We're using all, but something telling me all can't fit right now.
We're gonna try.
Yeah, we have a blender,
we have
we
a
have-
big blender. All could fit.
Right, so before you cover, we need to
Yes,
put
yes,
right,
the water.
So whatever the contents are, I usually go halfway. So
Okay.
as it's up to here, we just go like halfway with the liquid.
All right.
Because we don't want liquid pepper sauce. We want something nice like a proper puree.
There we go.
There we go.
All right.
All right.
Well, I
So
got some
cover.
water on the counter. Sorry.
Well, that's part of it. You can't cook things and not spill,
Not
you
be a
know.
little messy. And now we puree.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, so right here is where I like my pepper sauce.
Okay.
Right?
A little bit of chunky happening.
Yes.
Not too smooth.
How is my
Smelling so good. I mean, of course, you smell the hot pepper, but again, a little citrus, something happening. That's the
you can give it a
mango.
little taste. Have a little spoon on the side there. Just give it a little.
What
a
you
little
needed
check.
to do
A
is
little
bring
quality
some
check.
some food for me to put the pepper with. Yeah, I'm tasting pepper on pepper. Flavor. Woo. And bite. A glass of water, Arlene. This is so good. I mean, it's not just heat, which I can appreciate. I can speak after I taste the pepper. That means we're on the right path. Yeah, no, I'm not blowing. And you get a little bit of that mango coming behind. I like it.
I'm glad.
I like it. So guys, be sure to tell us, because I know you want to hear from them, what other flavors we doing infused peppers?
Infused peppers, yes.
Tell us in those comments, and be sure, of course, to share this video with someone who likes it hot like we do. Until next time, guys, bye-bye.
Bye.